Hi, I'm Kyler Steffen, R&D technician at KAGE Innovation, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the floating features that KAGE offers on all of our hydraulic wing plows. So we're going to be starting with this 8.5 foot Tukr wing. So down here on this black float plate, you can see that we have slots built into our wing, and if you look, we have slots in the rear too. So this allows the entire wing cutting edge to float up and over curbs. Another significant reason that you need float in the heel is actually for your plow cutting edge scrape. So if you have flat pavement, the rear of the wing would actually be holding your cutting edge off the ground because it's not allowing the float for the pressure of your edge to make contact with the surface. Whereas with KAGE, since our heel floats, we do not have that problem. So since our wing plows have so much toe and heel float, it makes it extremely operator friendly. There's no sweet spot where you need to be for your plow to perform best. You can be tipped a little far forwards, a little far backwards, and it will do the same good job. So our SnowDozer and Snowstorm wing plows will come standard with the floating quick attach if you have a loader pivot frame. On the Snowfire, if you have a loader pivot frame, will you have the same float.